This looks like just your average headlamp, but I assure you it's not. This thing is really cool because it is a headlamp on both sides. So you have your headlamp where, you know, if you want to be able to see what you're working on, or maybe you're riding your bike at night or doing something where you need to be able to be hands-free but have your light. But as far as, like, you know, if you're working on something, you can have this light right here. It's a very bright light. It's a spotlight. And then you can angle this thing down, or angle this where you need to. Maybe you're just walking and you want to be able to see the road ahead of you, or maybe you're working on something and you need that light down here instead of up there. If you press it again, you get more of a floodlight. So the first one is a spotlight. The second one is a floodlight. And that spotlight like shines really, like it really focuses that light. So if you need to see that one area a lot brighter, this will do it. But you also have a light on the back. So again, if you were like riding a bike and you wanted to have a light on the back, you can do that. But it's mainly so that if you just want a nicer, more relaxed light, you can just open that up like that. And yeah, you can angle it down as well if you're working on something down here and maybe you didn't need it so bright, but you want that warm light. That's just cool that you have this extra little flap right there that gives you light. I've never seen that on any other one. So it's comfortable to wear. It's also lightweight, so it's not going to feel too heavy on your head. I like it a lot. If you are someone that is in need of a light for working on things and being hands-free, this is a great option. Highly recommended, and thanks for watching.